morning and welcome to Berwick Mitsubishi. Isabella here. Today we'll be going through the 2016 Holden Commodore SV6 Black Edition. This here has done 61,000 Ks. It is a 6-cylinder 3.6 litre engine and a fuel economy combined of 9 litres per 100 kilometres. If we look here closely, we've got front parking sensors. Along to the side here, we've got 20-inch G8 wheels. We've got the black edition with the indicator on the side. Coming through, it is a keyless entry. Having a look on the inside here, side door, passenger side door is in great condition. It's got a red trim on it. I'm going to look on the inside here. Floor mats are in great condition, as are the seats, which is combined leather and suede. We've got the black edition badge on the side here. The back wheel here, also in great condition. If you want to look through the back here, side door again in fantastic condition. Drink holders as well. You've got your ISO fix for your child seats on the seats there. Black trim, again floor mats in great condition. Moving through to the boot space here, we've got a reverse camera fitted to the bottom. Boot space in great condition as well. Heaps of boot space. We've got spare tyre as well. Brand new, never been used. Bridgestone. We'll come round to the side here. Got black lip spoiler as well, not just the camera. Fuel cap is on driver's side door. Again, wheel is in great condition. Open up to the other side here. Again, door trim, great condition. Inside and the rear. You do have the rear air vents as well. Going to have a look at the front. Wheel, also in fantastic condition, along with, you can see the front parking sensors on the side. Okay, stepping into the driver's side, we have your electric windows, mirrors, and boot controls. It is a combination of electric and manual seat adjusting. Stepping inside, we've got the automatic headlights and the heads-up display controls here on the right-hand side, indicator on the right, wipers on the left, volume control, source control, pick-up, hang-up, phone controls, cruise control controls on this side. I'll start it up. Keyless start. Here we've got the climate control settings. It is a touch screen display. You've got the electric parking brake, traction control, front and rear parking sensors, 2 cup holders. Center console here comes with your USB and has cords as well. If you want to put cords out, won't get crushed. It does have the dips there. Okay. The display also comes with navigation and that reverse camera working. So guys, if this is the car for you, come down and see us at 20 to 32 Kangan Drive in Berwick. or give us a call on 9907 0555. We've got great in-house finance options available depending on your weekly, fortnightly or monthly budgets. Have a great day.